Today I'm making a Mangalorean style chicken recipe, chicken ghee roast. This is a rich, spicy, tangy chicken recipe that is really mouth-watering. So please do try to make it this way, and I hope you enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. Here I have 1 kg of chicken, and to this I'll add a few ingredients. So here I have juice of half of a lemon, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, two tablespoons of curd, and we will also add some powdered spices here. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and some salt as per taste. So adding all of that. And now we will mix the chicken well with all these ingredients, and we will let this sit for 1 to 2 hours. Now we will start making our masala for the ghee roast. So for that, first we will dry roast some whole spices. So here I have 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, and then here I have about 4 Kashmiri red chilies. Typically for this recipe, Biatagi chilies are used, but if you don't have that, you can always use Kashmiri red chilies. So here I have taken 4 Kashmiri red chilies. You can adjust based on your spice level. Now I will dry roast these spices till I get a nice aroma from them. I'm getting a really nice aroma from the whole spices. Now we will set this aside and start making our ghee roast masala paste. So now we'll make our ghee roast masala paste. For that, here I have taken a blender. To that, first I'll add the dry roasted ingredients. This is what we just made. About 7 garlic cloves and some tamarind water. So I soaked 2 tablespoons of tamarind in half a cup of water. So this is the tamarind water. Now we will blend this into a smooth paste. So if you feel like after adding the tamarind water, it's still not getting to be a smooth paste, you can always add some extra water to make sure the paste is smooth. I have blended all the ingredients into a smooth paste. So this is our ghee roast masala paste. Now we will go ahead and start making our gravy. Now we will start making our chicken ghee roast. For that, here I have 5 tablespoons of ghee. This recipe is made entirely in ghee. Marinated chicken, the ghee roast masala paste which we made just now, some salt as per taste, 2 teaspoons of jaggery and a sprig of curry leaves. I'm adding the ghee. Wait for the ghee to be heated up before adding the chicken. The ghee is now hot, so we will add the marinated chicken. So go ahead and add all of that. And we will fry the chicken at a high flame for 8 to 10 minutes till the chicken changes color and we can see the water coming out. It's been 10 minutes, and as you can see, the chicken has changed color and there's water coming out of the chicken. Now what we will do is we will start setting the chicken aside. So in the same stock and the leftover ghee, we will now add the ghee roast masala paste, and make sure the stock is hot before you add that. And now we will fry the masala till we can see the ghee separating out. This will take somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes. It's been about 6 minutes, and as you can see, the ghee is separating out and our masala has nicely thickened, so it is well fried now. Now what we will do is we will add the jaggery and mix this well and cook this for another minute. Now we will add some salt as per taste. We also added salt when we marinated the chicken, so just be mindful of that and mix the salt with the rest of the masala. And now we will add the fried chicken and mix all of this well together. And now we will continue to cook the chicken till it is completely tender. As the chicken is getting cooked, I will add half a cup of water. So this is typically not a gravy dish, so it doesn't have a lot of water in it. Now we will continue to cook this till the chicken is completely tender. Our chicken is now completely tender and our chicken ghee roast is ready. At the end, we will just add some curry leaves. This is a really delicious recipe, simple yet great flavors. So please do try this and let me know how this works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.